What's going on, fitness reviewers? I'm coming to you today from the Iron Kingdom, which is my new home gym. Thoroughly enjoying it, having this set up in the garage. Got everything I need in here, which links into what I wanted to talk to you today about. So I'm having a little bit of a mix up. I'm not doing a food or drink fitness product review. I'm doing a piece of equipment, something you can use in the gym or at home. Today I'm going to talk to you about the slide discs or the glide discs. You don't see these very often, or if you do, they don't get used very often. I think not many people really know what they are, but a super cheap and effective piece of equipment that offers a range of exercises. If you've been following my Instagram account, you'll see I put up some skater stride exercises a few weeks back, and I will be showing you some more with these because these are brilliant, really good, especially on the lower body stuff, things like lunges, hamstring curls, things like that. Really useful exercises. You can pick these up. I say I've matched the orange to match the theme color of the gym, of the black and orange, but you can use these both sides. So this has two different surfaces, so it can be used on carpet or harder flooring, so it will slide on both, so it's brilliant. You can use it anywhere. Single-sided stuff as well, you know, both-sided exercises you can use on push-ups and pushing the arms out. So really useful piece of equipment. So have a look at them. You can pick them up on things like Amazon, or most exercises. If you type in slide disc or glide disc, you'll see them on there, and they won't be very expensive, and something that you can incorporate in your lounge as well, even if you don't have a home gym setup. So give these a whirl. Let me know what you think. Let me know what exercises you've used them with before, and keep an eye on my social media pages because I will be putting up some videos of these in my home gym. All right, have a good day, everyone.